Hi guys, got a minute? It's Maria. Welcome to my channel. It's been snowing here lately, and days like this always make me want to bake something sweet and cozy. Today we're baking Italian cherry cookies. Melt in your mouth tender cookies finished with a delicate light pink glaze. They're perfect for Valentine's Day, bridal or baby showers, or a cozy, elegant tea party. For this recipe, here are the ingredients that you'll need. Granulated sugar, 1 egg, vegetable shortening, salt, 1 jar of maraschino cherries with the juice, baking powder, all-purpose flour, walnuts or almonds, almond extract, powdered sugar, and milk. Start by removing any stems from the maraschino cherries and cutting them into quarters so they're evenly distributed. Maraschino cherries can stain your hands, so you might want to wear disposable gloves while prepping them. I don't usually have a problem as long as I wash my hands afterward. An 8-ounce jar is just the right amount for this recipe. While the cherries are ready, let's get the oven preheated and the baking sheets prepared. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius. Line your baking sheets with parchment paper to prevent sticking and make cleanup easy. In a medium bowl, whisk together 3 cups of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Then set it aside. In a large bowl, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar, or 3/4 cup if you prefer a slightly less sweet cookie, with a half a cup of vegetable shortening and half a cup of maraschino cherry juice, saving 2 teaspoons for the glaze. If your juice is a little short, just top it off with a bit of water. Mix with an electric hand mixer until fully combined. Next, add 1 egg and a 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract and mix again. Add the dry ingredients, then fold everything together with the spatula. Finally, fold in half a cup of chopped maraschino cherries and half a cup of finely chopped walnuts or almonds. Mix until a soft dough forms. You'll know when it's ready when it comes together without being sticky. Take small portions of dough and roll them into balls, about 1 inch in size. I'm using a small cookie scoop. Place them on prepared baking sheets, leaving some space between each so they can expand slightly as they bake. Bake in a preheated oven for 8 to 12 minutes. If baking 2 trays at once in the convection oven, 9 minutes works perfectly. The cookies should be just set, slightly puffed, and tender to the touch. Let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. This step ensures that your glaze won't melt when applied. Once the cookies have cooled, prepare the glaze. In a small bowl, whisk together 2 cups of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of vegetable shortening, about 4 tablespoons of milk, 2 teaspoons of maraschino cherry juice, and half a teaspoon of almond extract until smooth and creamy. The glaze should be slightly thick and able to coat the cookies. Adjust the consistency with a little more milk or powdered sugar as needed. Dip the tops of the cooled cookies into the glaze. Then place them back on a wire rack or a tray lined with wax or parchment paper. Let the glaze firm up before serving. It gives the cookies a beautiful glossy finish. These Italian cherry cookies are perfect for special occasions or anytime you want a sweet, elegant treat. Time to taste. Tender, sweet cookies with little bursts of cherry flavor and a touch of almond from the glaze. Simply melt in your mouth, delicious. If you try this recipe, let me know how your cookies turn out in the comments below. Happy baking!